Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I decided to show you guys me decorating my little Switch. So here's all my stickers that I've got that could go on my Switch. Mainly I would be decorating this remote, this, and then the back of my Switch. So let me actually clean this. Also, this controller is sort of broken. This part thinks that I'm like going up eternally, but I'm not actually touching it. So I'm gonna eventually have to buy a new one of these. Okay. By the way, I put the paper on so that you guys don't have to see reflections, because that can be distracting. My friend gave me these stickers, so I wouldn't be able to tell you where they came from. Looks like they're gonna be a pain to take off the back though. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another video tomorrow.